Hello there! Welcome to 𝗀𝗧 estate, your go-to channel for all things business and entrepreneurship. Here, we unravel the intricacies of business, providing insights that aid your entrepreneurial journey. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic. 3 superficial businesses everybody starts. First on our list is dropshipping. This business model is a popular choice for budding entrepreneurs, as it allows you to sell products directly from the supplier without having to store any inventory. However, it's not all roses. Challenges such as dealing with suppliers, managing customer expectations, and navigating shipping complexities can present considerable hurdles. And let's not forget the fierce competition. While it can be profitable, it's not as easy as it seems. Next up, we have social media management, a fascinating world where you curate content, engage with followers, and build a brand's online presence. It's a popular choice for many due to its low entry cost and the global reach of social media. However, before you dive in, be aware of the challenges. It's not just about posting pretty pictures. You need to understand your audience, analytics, and the ever-changing algorithms. It's a business that requires a lot of time and effort, but can be rewarding. Last but not least, affiliate marketing. In the simplest terms, it's about promoting and selling other people's products to earn a commission. Its allure? Minimal startup costs and the freedom to choose from a vast array of products. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. It requires a deep understanding of what sells, a knack for marketing, and patience to build a following. Like the others, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it can be a stepping stone to bigger ventures. So, there you have it. 3 superficial businesses everybody starts. We've explored dropshipping, dived into social media management, and untangled the web of affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to 𝗀𝗧 estate for more insightful business content. Until next time.